Hello, hello. Welcome back to the show, everyone. I am so glad you are here today. I'm Ayla, and as always, I am joined by my wonderful co-host, Jack. How are you doing today, Jack?
Hi, Ayla. I'm doing fantastic. I'm really excited about today's episode because we're talking about a word that I use probably 100 times a day. It's such a simple word, but it does so much.
You are totally right. Today, we are diving into the word look. Now, most of our listeners know that look means to use your eyes, right? Like, look at that bird. But in English, we use look with small words like for, after, and forward to mean completely different things.
Exactly. These are phrasal verbs, and honestly, they are the secret to sounding like a natural English speaker. If you can master these look phrases, your English is going to level up instantly. We're going to help you understand them in a way that feels easy and fun.
That's the goal. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to talk about searching for things, taking care of people, and even talking about your future plans using look.
I love it. But before we get into the heavy lifting, Ayla, I have to tell you about my morning. It was a bit of a disaster.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I was already running late for our recording. I grabbed my coffee, grabbed my bag, and then I couldn't find my car keys. I spent 20 minutes searching everywhere. I checked the kitchen, the sofa, even the fridge. Don't ask me why I checked the fridge, I just panicked.
Oh, I've been there. That feeling of panic when you can't find your keys is the worst. Did you eventually find them?
I did. They were in the pocket of the jacket I wore yesterday. I felt so silly. I was looking for them for so long and they were right there.
Well, I'm glad you made it. And actually, you just used our first phrasal verb without even thinking about it. You said you were looking for your keys.
That's true. I was looking for them everywhere. It just means searching, right?
Exactly. It's much more common than saying, I am searching for my keys. In daily life, we almost always say, look for.
That makes sense. It feels more relaxed. So if I'm at a clothing store and a worker asks me, "Can I help you?" I can say, "I'm looking for a blue shirt."
Perfect. That's exactly how a native speaker would say it. Speaking of looking for things, my sister is actually looking for a new job right now. She's been scrolling through websites every night.
Oh, that can be stressful. Is she looking for something specific?
She wants to work in a library. She loves books, so she's looking for a quiet place where she can help people find great stories.
That sounds like a perfect job for her. I hope she finds something soon. You know, while she's doing that, who is watching her kids? I know she has two little ones.
That's a good question. Usually, our grandmother stays over to look after them.
Ah, look after. That's another one.
Yes, look after means to take care of someone or something. Like a babysitter looks after children, or you look after your plants by giving them water.
I'm actually looking after my neighbor's dog this weekend. His name is Barnaby. He's a big golden retriever.
Oh, I love Barnaby. He's so friendly. Is it a lot of work to look after him?
A little bit. I have to take him for walks 3 times a day and make sure he gets his treats. But he's so cute, so I don't mind looking after him at all.
That's sweet. So, listeners, did you hear those two? Look for when you want to find something, and look after when you are taking care of something.
It's interesting how a tiny word like for or after changes the whole meaning. I'm looking for a dog means I want to buy or find a dog, but I'm looking after a dog means the dog is already there and I'm taking care of it.
That is a perfect explanation, Jack. It's all about those little words. Now, let's talk about another one that I use all the time when I'm excited.
Oh, I think I know which one you mean. Is it look forward to?
Yes, I am really looking forward to our holiday next month. I can't wait to sit on the beach and read.
Me too. I'm looking forward to the warm weather. Look forward to is such a positive phrase. It means you're thinking about a future event with pleasure.
Exactly. And here's a little tip for our learners. Look forward to is a bit special. Usually, after to, we use a simple verb, but with this phrase, we use an ing word or a noun. So, I am looking forward to meeting you, or I am looking forward to the party.
That's a great point. I often hear people say, "I look forward to meet you," but it should be meeting.
Right. It's a very common mistake, but don't worry if you do it. People will still understand you. But if you want to sound really natural, try to use that ending ing.
So let's imagine this situation. I have a job interview tomorrow. I could say I am looking forward to the interview, even if I'm a little nervous.
Definitely. It shows you're ready and positive.
Okay, I have another one for you, Ayla. What about when you don't know the meaning of a word? Like if a learner is listening to us right now and they hear a word they don't know, what should they do?
They should look it up.
Look up. Like looking at the ceiling?
Well, yes, you can look up at the sky or the ceiling, but as a phrasal verb, look up means to find information in a book, on a map, or on the internet.
Oh, right. So if I don't know what a word means, I look it up in a dictionary.
Exactly. Or if I don't know what time the movie starts, I'll look it up on my phone.
That's very useful. I look up recipes all the time when I'm cooking. I can never remember how much salt to put in anything.
Me neither. I always have to look up how long to bake a cake. Otherwise, I'd burn everything.
So let's recap for a second. We've got look for, searching, look after, taking care of, look forward to, being excited about the future, and look up, finding information.
You're doing great, Jack. There's another one that is very important for safety. Imagine you're about to cross a busy street. What should you do?
You should look out.
Exactly. Look out means be careful. You usually say it very loudly if there's danger.
Look out! There's a car coming!
Yes, it's a warning, but you can also use it more generally, like if you go to the mountains, look out for bears. It means be alert and keep your eyes open for something.
That's a good one to know. I don't want to meet any bears without looking out for them first.
Definitely not. Now, let's talk about how these look in real, everyday conversations. We'll do a few short scenes so our listeners can hear how natural they sound.
Let's do it. I'll be a person at an airport, and you can be my friend.
Okay, let's start. Ayla, I'm so nervous about this flight. Can you help me? I'm looking for my boarding pass. I had it a minute ago.
Don't worry, Jack. Check your backpack. While you do that, I'll look up the gate number on the screen.
Oh, found it. It was in my passport. Thanks. I'm really looking forward to this trip, but I'm worried about my cat.
Don't worry about her. My neighbor is going to look after her while we are gone. She's in good hands.
That's a relief. Oh, look out! You almost bumped into that luggage cart.
Whoops. Thanks for the warning.
See? We used almost all of them in just a few sentences. It didn't feel like a lesson at all.
That's because these words are the glue of English. They connect our ideas together. Let's try another one. This time, let's imagine we are at work.
Okay, I'll be the boss and you can be the employee.
Sounds good. Hi, Ayla. How's the project going?
It's going well. I'm currently looking for some new data to include in the report.
Great. If you find any words or terms you don't understand, just look them up in the company manual.
Will do. I'm really looking forward to presenting this to the team on Friday.
I'm looking forward to seeing it. Just make sure you look after the files. We don't want to lose them.
I'll be very careful with them.
Perfect.
Now let's slow down a bit and talk about some other ways we use look that aren't exactly phrasal verbs, but they're very common. Jack, what do you say when you think two people look similar?
Oh, I say they look like each other. Like you look like your mother.
Exactly. Look like is for appearance. It looks like it's going to rain today. Or that cloud looks like a heart.
I use that one a lot. I also use look as an adjective, like, you look tired today, Jack. Did you sleep well?
And I would say, no, I stayed up late looking up information about vintage cars.
Apple a typical Jack.
But it's true. You look tired, you look happy, that cake looks delicious. We use look plus an adjective to describe our impression of something.
That's a very easy way to start a conversation. If I see a friend, I can say, you look great. Is that a new jacket?
Yes, it's a compliment. It makes people feel good.
So, we've talked about a lot of look phrases today. Let's take a moment to really explain them simply, like we're just chatting over coffee.
I love that. Let's imagine a listener is sitting with us right now.
Okay, so first one, look for. If you lose your phone, you are looking for it. You're using your eyes to try and find it.
Simple. And if you're at a library and you want a specific book, you're looking for that book.
Second one, look after. Think of a baby or a pet. They can't take care of themselves, right? So you have to look after them. You give them food, you keep them safe. You're like a protector.
I like that, a protector. You can also look after your health by eating vegetables and exercising.
Third one, look forward to. This is all about the future. It's that happy feeling you get before a birthday or a vacation. You are looking forward to it. Your eyes are on the future, and the future looks good.
And remember the rule. I am looking forward to seeing you. Use that ing.
Fourth one, look up. This is for information. Think of it like this. The information is hidden in a big book or a big website, and you have to go get it. You look it up.
It's like a mini search for a specific fact.
And fifth, look out. This is the danger word. If a ball is flying toward your head, I will yell, "Look out!"
Hopefully that doesn't happen to our listeners today.
Let's hope not. But it's also for being careful. Look out for ice on the sidewalk.
Those are the big five. If you can use those, you are going to sound so much more like a native speaker.
Ayla, can I ask you a question? I sometimes hear look into. What does that mean?
Oh, good one. Look into means to investigate or check something more deeply. For example, if your internet isn't working, you might call the company and they will say, "We will look into the problem."
So it's more serious than look for.
Yes. Look for is searching for an object. Look into is searching for a solution or an answer to a problem.
Ah, okay. So if I want to buy a new car, I might look into different brands to see which one is the best.
Exactly. You are researching. You are looking into your options.
This is great. I'm feeling really confident now. I think I'm going to go home and look for my favorite book, then look after my plants, and then look forward to our next episode.
You used 3 in one sentence. I'm impressed, Jack.
Wow, I have a good teacher.
Now, to all our listeners out there, don't feel overwhelmed. Phrasal verbs can be tricky because look stays the same, but the meaning changes with the little word. But you don't have to learn them all at once.
That's right. Just pick one today. Maybe today is your look for day. Use it as much as you can. I'm looking for my shoes. I'm looking for my coffee. Then tomorrow, try look forward to.
That is the best way to learn, one step at a time. And remember, if you make a mistake, it's okay. Even native speakers sometimes mix things up. The important thing is that you are trying.
Exactly. We are so proud of you for listening and practicing. English is a journey, and we are so happy to be on this journey with you.
Before we finish up, let's talk about our question of the day. We want to hear from you.
Yes, today's question is, what is something you are looking forward to right now?
Is it a weekend trip, a dinner with friends, or maybe just a quiet evening with a good book?
Answering this question is a perfect way to practice. And remember the rule we talked about earlier. Try to use a noun or an ing verb.
For example, you could say, "I am looking forward to my sister's wedding next week."
Or, I am looking forward to visiting London in the summer.
See how natural that sounds? We'd love to hear your answers. It helps you connect the English you learn here to your real life.
It really does. And if you have a moment, try to use look up today, too. If you hear a word in this podcast that you didn't quite understand, look it up in a dictionary and see how it's used in other sentences.
That is a fantastic idea, Jack. Using the language is the best way to keep it in your brain.
Well, Ayla, I think we have reached the end of our time today.
It went by so fast. I always have so much fun talking about these words with you.
Me too. Let's do a very quick final recap before we say goodbye.
Okay. Look for, search for something you lost or want. Look after, take care of a person, animal, or thing. Look forward to, feel excited about something in the future. Look up, find information in a book or online. Look out, be careful of danger. And look into, investigate a problem.
Perfect. 6 powerful tools for your English toolbox.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Your support means the world to us. Keep practicing, keep listening, and most importantly, keep having fun with your English.
We'll be back soon with another episode. Until then, look after yourselves and each other.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Oh, and Ayla,
Yes, Jack?
I just realized I'm looking for my phone now. I think I left it in the recording studio.
Oh, Jack, not again. Let's go look for it together.
Thanks. I'll look up the lost and found member just in case.
Let's just check under the table first.
Good idea. Bye, everyone.